Hello. So today we're going to continue discussing the sentences that you don't really see the time first. So I don't have two go signs, I only have the one. So I just with the word go up there, we're going to need to use it again. So let's go ahead and do what we always do first. Identify all of our words, right? She is our subject. Going to go is our verb. That whole thing. It's not go and go. There's no to. It's going to go. That's our gigantic verb. We don't need that too, and then we have class for our object. So let's go ahead and put up our signs. As always, we have our capital letters for glossing, right? Going to go is just one gigantic verb, just saying go. And if you can't guess, that's where our time is hidden. And then our sign for class. So why is going to go just one verb, right? Because it only means one thing. Um, that part means go, but the going to means future. It's going to happen. In the future, this is what's going to happen. So the girl will go to class. So, not now, not in the past, but in the future. So later. So that's actually good to know. So now we know our time. So we can add our time, right? Future tense. So let's go ahead and put that sign right there. So now, if you remember in our first video, we talked about how we could use that very generic sign, past. We didn't need to have an exact specific time. So future is our generic future tense sign. So we do know time always goes first, and then we just follow our object, subject, verb. So we have our object, our subject, and our verb. And that's it. So in the future, class, the girl goes. So again, I do want to um, remind you that we could add, um, just generic signs for future tense and past tense. We don't ever need to be exact. Yes, typically you will be exact, but not really. So we have, past, class, go. And if you remember in this first sentence, you could add the sign finish instead of using the sign pass. But remember, that's for short sentences, a singular comment, not for lengthy, um, drawn out kind of quote unquote presentations or comments. Class, finish, done. But if you wanted to talk more about class and what happened at school, then you're going to want to use that past tense to set it all up. So does future tense have the same kind of sign? No. There's no way to just add on one sign to make that one verb future tense. So you do have to always sign the future tense at the beginning.